Higher secondary exam started on Friday. Similarly, to boost the morale of the students in Ward number 2 of South Damdam municipality who are appearing for the year secondary examination, this year local grassroots supporters of Trinamool Congress handed over a pen, a bottle of water, some tiffin and a rose flower to each of them. A similar picture emerged in the ward of Debashish Bandopadhyay, councillor of South Damdam municipality. On this day, Debashish Banerjee handed over test materials to every student along with a small tiffin water bottle on the instruction of Education Minister and Damdam MLA Bratto Basu. To go to the examination center, just like the middle school in the high school, auto and toto have been arranged to take the center to the place where the student is studying. This work has been applauded by everyone regardless of party affiliation for raising above politics as a whole.
কোন স্কুল পড়েছে?